everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. It's Chandni and welcome back to my channel Super School. And today I'm back with another video for the article series. Yes, so this is part 3 of the article series where I thought of practicing the use of definite and indefinite article in a little bit more innovative and fun way. So that's why on the screen you can see that I have put up a table where I have compared the use and also the situation and the meaning so that you can use articles perfectly in a sentence. Now, when you want to write something clearly or in a clear expression, and also when you want to speak with a clear expression and make your sentence more grammatical accurate, the significance of article is unmatchable. So let's begin with this innovative method of comparing and learning. So have you been to an opera show? Have you been to an opera show? That means here the person who is speaking is the speaker is kind of asking a question that, the listener has been to any opera show before or not, like any random one, not any specific one. So you are not asking about any one specific opera show, but asking whether they have been to any opera show and doesn't refer to a specific opera show. So and refers to a random opera show. Now let's compare with the second sentence by replacing the indefinite article with a definite article and see how it changes the entire expression and meaning or the reference. Have you been to the opera show? Have you been to the opera show? So to the opera show, you already know the opera show which is being referred to. So it's not any random opera show. Maybe the opera show from the schedule, it was scheduled last week, or maybe you were talking about this show 2 days ago, so, or maybe it was a planned meetup to watch the show together. So you know about it. So the listener and the speaker, they both know about which show the is referring to. Yes, the is referring to. So you already know the opera show which is being referred to. Example, the one in their town or the local one, or the makes the noun opera show specific. Again, not specific with indefinite article, specific with definite article. So not specific and specific. So would you like an apple? So it's any random apple. Would you like an apple and specific one? Would you like to try the apple pie? Would you like to try the apple pie? That means I am specifically mentioning or referring to an apple pie. Not any random apple pie. So the apple pie which I made. Yeah, I can't make apple pies. So do you have a cat? Do you have a cat? So it's just a random question with not any specific reference. So it's just a cat. So do you have a cat? Have you seen the cat? So you are specifying the cat. So it's a specific cat. So have you seen the cat? So I hope the use of articles are clear with this innovative method that I came up with. So if you think that my videos are helping you, then please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more unlimited videos that I have to share with you in the coming of future by the grace of Almighty. So what are you waiting if you're not joining my course to learn more extensively? So please join my course follow my Facebook page, share my page, and don't forget to join the course.